What's the meaning of bound morpheme? Bound morpheme. Bound morpheme.
Bound morpheme. Bound morpheme. A bound morpheme is a morpheme that cannot stand alone as a word but must be attached to another word to convey meaning. Bound morphemes are typically prefixes or suffixes that modify the meaning of the word they are attached to, such as s to indicate plurality or ed to indicate past tense. They are called bound because they are bound to other morphemes and cannot exist on their own as independent words. The use of bound morphemes is an important aspect of language structure and provides a way to create new words and meanings by combining different morphemes together.